If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto diet or zero-carb carnivore diet, then you probably, on occasion, experience strong cravings for traditional pizza. Unfortunately, a typical slice of traditional pizza contains a whopping 35 grams of total carbs. This pretty much makes it off limits to those of us on a keto or carnivore diet. But your cravings for pizza are about to come to an end. Because this video will walk you through a simple 3-ingredient recipe for making an essentially zero-carb version of pizza crust. All that, coming right up. Let's start by looking at the ingredients. This simple 3-ingredient pizza crust recipe requires just 10 ounces of zero-carb chicken breast, 1 egg, and 1 ounce of grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. This recipe is not only keto-friendly, but it's also ketovore and carnivore-friendly. The toppings I chose for my chicken crust pizza were a 1/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, which I grated myself, about a dozen pepperoni slices, 10 sliced jalapenos, and 4 tablespoons of a low-carb pizza sauce. Of course, you can choose the keto-friendly toppings that best suit your personal tastes. These are the crust seasonings I used. They were about a teaspoon each of onion powder, salt, ground peppercorns, and garlic powder. Again, please feel free to use your favorite combination of spices. Now, it's time to get cooking. First, we'll drain the water from our chicken breast. Press the lid onto the chicken breast to squeeze as much of the water out as you can. Next, we'll transfer our shredded chicken to a cutting board, where we can shred the chicken chunks using a fork or similar utensil into smaller fibers. Place the shredded chicken in a medium bowl and microwave it for about 1 minute to remove more moisture. You should see steam rising from the chicken when you open the microwave door. Remove the bowl from the microwave and fold the chicken over to expose the underlying wet chicken. Microwave it again for about 30 seconds and you should see more steam rising from the chicken just like you saw earlier. Now, we're ready to add the remaining ingredients, namely, the grated Parmesan cheese, the egg, and the spices to create the dough. Mix using a fork or similar utensil until thoroughly combined. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Spray one side of 2 sheets of parchment paper with avocado oil. Transfer the blended dough onto the sprayed side of 1 sheet of parchment paper and place the other sheet with the sprayed side down on top of the dough. Roll the dough to a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch in whatever shape you prefer. When the oven temperature reaches the target, place the uncooked crust into the oven and bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Add your preferred topping and bake for another 10 minutes or until the toppings are cooked to your liking. And last, but not least, enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.